Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy1. So in this video I want to talk about how you can connect your Pineye airdrop to your Telegram wallet or your Tonkeeper. So I know most of you are waiting for them to give out their allocation for the airdrop, and even me, I myself haven't received the allocation. So if I go to where it says airdrop, you can see what they just did. They just calculate the balance, overview, the profits per hour, total friends invited, active day, month of joining, and tasks completed. So that is what they just did, and we don't know how they are going to give us the airdrop allocation. So that is not what we want to talk about. In this video I want to talk on how you can connect your wallet to your either your Tonkeeper or your Telegram wallet. And also remember, they say that they are going to give everybody their allocation which they receive, and these updates were made on their community. So let's go ahead to their community and see the updates which they just made. So as you all can see that this is the post which they just made. You can see where they say, hello Pineye community, thank for your amazing support. This achievement will be possible so without you. So you can go ahead and read everything which they just posted. You can see the snapshot is completed, but they have not given out our airdrop allocation. So they have been calculating the airdrop allocation process. So in order for us to go ahead and connect to our wallet, we need to go to where it says, so you can see where they made an update that additionally we have fixed the issue with the VIP page on the website. Like that is where we are going to connect our wallet, inside their website page. So let's go to their website page. This is where they posted it in their community. So as you can see, this is the website page. So you need to go ahead and connect, click on it, and that is where we are going to connect our wallet address. So if you come to click on it, this is how the interface will look like. You can see where it says Pineye is the key to your success, join the journey of nothing to everything. So you can see that the exchanges which they have listed, they have listed in so many exchanges, and what you need to do is to go ahead and click on where it says join VIP club. Don't click on play now. What you are going to do is join VIP club. Click on join VIP club. So it will brought you to an interface here. So this is what they are going to use in giving us our airdrop. You can see that 30% more extra token. So this 30% more extra token is for those who participate in their pre-launch sale. So if you participate in their pre-launch sale, you are going to gain extra 30% of the token given to you during their airdrop allocation. And what you need to do is go ahead and click on, first of all, click on login with your Telegram. Once you log in with your Telegram, then go ahead and click on where it says connect wallet. So this is where we're going to connect our wallet and wait for them to give us our airdrop allocation. So I don't know for now, like they are trying to play smart by not giving us the airdrop allocation on time. So I'm seeing that maybe they are trying to play smart on us. So this is what I have for you guys. So there are many airdrop which you can go ahead and farm without this Telegram airdrop. For now, I'm based on new airdrops such as the testnet and Deepin's airdrop. So there I'll be dropping the link to those airdrop in my description, so you can do well and go and participate in those airdrop which I drop in the description of my video. So if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel Easy1. Also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So do not mind the other video which I just posted. So I just try to like give out to people so that they will know that they are trying to play smart on us. So this is what I have for you guys. So peace out.